Hi, everybody. It's Tanya. We have an unboxing. It's a Valentine's Day gift from my husband. He got me a lot of goodies. Let's bring in the lovely energy. So this is from V Love&Crystals. She's V Love&Crystals on YouTube and V Love and Tarot and V Reacts. So let's get this open. She does things so beautifully. Pink flamingo paper and flowers. I love it. So let's get this open. I can tell this is the feelings in bloom. Whoops. Get that back in and put this just a little bit further back. So I can get the deck in the picture. It says, save money going through PayPal with each deck for US shipping and tracking. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, V Love&Crystals, or vlovecrystals@gmail.com. Save money with PayPal. All decks are $29.99 each with free shipping and tracking. And stickers. I love stickers. Cool. You're so bright. Blown away. Brilliant. Awesome. So let's get this one open too. And we'll look through the decks. I really like her decks. They work so wonderfully. Great messages. This is the Wishes Oracle. It makes me think of Aladdin and his magical lamp that Robin Williams comes out of. Your daily message, do what makes your soul happy. Oh, look. I have puppies and fishes. Oh, isn't that so cute? Real live puppies. Smudge, come here. No, he's not coming back. I was going to show you one. But you hear them enough. Treat, milk chocolate treat. Panettone. Spoil yourself, fun earth. Decadent. Ancient history, nourishment, vocal expression. Oh, it's a very cute charm. The little bird. And let's see what's in here. Tanya, thank you to the moon and back for adding these to your collection. Hope, love, they light up your heart. Happy V-Day. Love, V and family. And I'm sure they will. And I am so happy my husband paid for them. He knows exactly what I want because I put him in my shopping cart and then he just pays. That's the great way to do it. Because I like things he has no clue about, and he likes things I have no clue about. So we just put things in baskets where we know like we like to go. Okay, so this Feelings in Bloom. This one you can separate in half. I think it's 26 and 27 cards. 26 or 27 that is positive, and the other half a little bit negative message. Because, you know, it's just the way life is. Ambitious, climb as high as I can. Angry, I will not combust. The images are so incredibly beautiful, and the words are perfect. I find comfort in my soul. Oh, and take a look at this. The little butterfly in the corner is a different color. Anxious, my nerves won't get the best of me. Just a beautiful deck. I'm confident, I am unshakable. I write my own story. Oh, I'm not going to say every which one because it might take us too long time to get through this video, and we want to do the other deck too. Oh, so beautiful. Empathy, I feel you. These are all like little succulents. That one's a cactus. And that one too. Oh, look how this is a great spring deck. I mean, you can use this deck all year round. But especially, you know, in the spring, or you're in the middle of the snow like we are, and you're a little tired of the snow and want to see some color. Hey, pull it out and make you feel good. Oh, I love orchids. Exhausted, I quiet my mind and relax my body. I always grow my orchids in my bathroom because the steam, I put ice cubes in the dirt part, but the steam seems to make them just so healthy. I explore my interest. Fearless, I expand my comfort zone. And I just figured that out by putting them in the bathroom. They did better because they weren't doing well in any other room. I leave the past behind, move forward. I bravely face all obstacles. Fun is my middle name. I love that. Oh, guilty. I make peace with the past. That's excellent. So healthy. Happy, my light is contagious. Oh, hate. Here's a really negative one. Hateful, I release heavy burden on my heart. That sounds negative. That is so healthy. It's like when you forgive someone, even if they don't deserve it, you let yourself go from whatever happened. I live my life with integrity. Inadequate, I am worthy. I am enough. Absolutely. This is a great deck to do readings with. Intoxicated, I release low vibrations. Yes, you only want to be with high vibrations. I mean, you're going to experience low moments in life, but that's okay. You lose someone, you cry for a little while. You know, when they pass away. I was thinking my friend Rain, she just lost her dog. You guys know Rain from Rain Francis Art and Spiritual Rain. Beautiful lady. And her dog Charlie passed away, and I know she's hurting. I will not manipulate. I will not be controlled. Absolutely. Oh, here's a little doggy for you to look at. Rain, if you've seen this, Charlie loves you. There's more to me than what you see. Optimistic, better days ahead. Overloaded. I only take up on what I can handle. That's smart. Don't overload yourself. It looks like a bleeding heart. Okay. I love those flowers. Passion I love with every beat of my heart. Perplexed, I'll figure out. So incredibly beautiful. There's 53 cards in this deck and the Wishes Oracle. And a Venus flytrap. Tense, breathe, release, repeat. Yes, and don't, in the movies, these are always so big and can eat you. They eat things like flies. Unhappy, I will rise. Yes. And all these little seeds in this flower will feed so many birdies, and they will stand on here, have a place to nest. Well, they don't nest there, but they like to stand there all day because it's got food. Establish healthy boundaries. And a free one. Write your own message in here. So let's pull one out. Very nice cardstock. Not too thin, but easily shuffleable. A little bit glossy, but not terribly. It's not going to just slide away from you. So. Whoops. My arms are stretched out, way out, because it's around the tripod holding my phone. So, just gorgeous. We'll pull a card from that and from this one when we're done. I just wanted to show you. We got this beautiful blingy stand. And from Amazon, we got this beautiful sequin, and it's blingy. All pale pink from Amazon. So let's take a look at V Love&Crystals Wishes Oracle. This is made by her and her husband. And I just so love it. I see it and I just think of Aladdin's magical lamp and Robin Williams coming out of it. In the Middle East, the jinn, they call it, those are evil. You do not want a genie. Work ethic. Wisdom. Oh, look at that beautiful owl. Wealth. This is always probably the number one on anybody's wish when they find a magic lamp. If you find a magic lamp, I say bury it and run and don't make any wishes. Travel. Talent. Success. Strength, Superman. He's wearing a Superman t-shirt. And look at all those muscles. Spiritual insight, Buddha. Sex appeal. Self-improvement. Self-control. So you can do a reading with just this deck, or you can add it to your tarot. Add it with other oracles, however you like. Or you can just add one card at the end of a reading as a wish for them. Second chance. People love when you do little extra things for them. Safe haven. respect, relief, reciprocity, purpose, protection, privacy, powerful voice. Go back card. No falling over. Objective outlook. Positive change. Perseverance. He is climbing that mountain. Wall climbing or whatever they call that. Oh my God, scare the heck out of me. Peace. Now this looks peaceful. Not the wall climbing. Patience. Oh, look at that. That is so sweet. That dog with her puppy. Makes you think of my Cocoa Puff. Last night I was sleeping and I woke up and I didn't know what I was holding. I was holding something and I was rubbing it. It was the inside and the outside of Cocoa Puff's mouth. She just let me do it. She's such a mellow dog. You don't know what. She'll just let you do things. The American Bulldogs are like that. They'll let babies crawl all over them. Love, justice. They are very peaceful. Justice. Intimacy. Justice makes me think the Justice League of America. The superhero group. Humility. Health. Healing. Oh, I like that. I love this actually. The happiness in this little kid having such a great time. Look at that face. He's so happy. And he's smiling so big. It's just all over him. That smile. Gratitude. I know she's painting, but it makes me think of Maria from Sound of Music singing at the top of the hills. Good karma. Oh, I love that. Friendship. Elephants. Oh, I love elephants. They're so sweet. And they think humans are very cute. Freedom. Forgiveness. Family. Fame. Yes, a lot of this is like probably the second wish. You want wealth, fame, excitement, dream job, debt paid, creativity, maybe debt paid or someone to love would be your third wish. Courage, confident. Oh, look how cute that dog is in his tuxedo. Comfort. Yes, the little lamb. Closure. Cleansing. Look, yes, it is. Time and singing bowl. I'm like, why would you put anything but that thing in there? And that's what she's doing. She's using it to make it sing. Clarity, the crystal ball. Assistance. Acceptance. Oh, that's so cute. Abundance. Yes, we all want all these things. So this has 53 cards in it also. So let's shuffle it. 2 cards there. Let's get 2 from here. Blocked, I will push you through. Tempted, I am stronger than you think. Yes. So you may be feeling blocked in getting things to happen, getting your creativity moving. But you are stronger than you know, and you can wait through this little closed feeling period. Be grateful for what you do have at the moment. You know, once you relax on yourself, then your shoulders relax, and then you will have your creativity. Yeah, just be grateful and courageous. We all go through little phases. And we do get tempted, but you are stronger than you think. You might get tempted to, drink too much through this, like they're showing the bottle of wine. Whatever that tempts you. Be courageous and grateful that you're you, and you know you will get through this. You've always made it through everything. So I hope you enjoyed these beautiful cards. And this is V Love&Crystals, also as V Love and Tarot does our collaboration. She puts us all together, and we'll be doing that for March. So I'll probably use these in that one. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're all doing well. And take care. Wishing you lots of love and kisses. I just wanted to show you the incense burner I got in the Witch's Moon. I just think it's so beautiful. It's a goddess incense burner. You just pull the lid off, put your cone in there. So take care, everybody. I hope wishing you lots of love and hugs and kisses. And many blessings. Take care of yourselves and your family. Stay safe. Take care of each other. And I better shut this off because the dogs are going nutty. And many blessings. Bye, everybody. Oh, and give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.